Hello everyone, this is Team Hackads. What we do bring lights into the dark eyes. And what we have built this time. So we built OneSign. OneSign is the next gen effortless onboarding dev toolkit. It provides a ZK implemented onboarding facility, so which narrows down the onboarding, which is the uh, most spoken issue in Web3 space. And how we go about this by using an order, and which that we can able to verify the user in zero escapation, and we can able to provide them a DID, and any number of address can be mapped to that DID. And we also have the tracking feature for the wallet analysis and for the data analysis as well. The boundaries cover the graph for the analysis part, and Polygon is the main chain we are building, and another is the mini implementation for the authentication. And we are also providing the streamlined onboarding dev toolkit, and it also enables the user to keep track of the transaction and interaction in any tabs they have with better visualization and better control. And it enables the onboarding to be narrowed down to a single line of control, and it gives power back to the user to have their identity in control of themselves, and it also provides a better user interaction of each tab that they have signed and what are the transactions they make in every tab. Even though it is all already in Block Explorer, it's pretty difficult to go around it. So having analytics really helps. Let me quickly pull up our application. So this is a front-end application for onboarding users, and after that can be handled through our SDK. SDK is OneSign. So with this, the user can go around it, and the developer can implement this amazing onboarding feature. So how we can do is we can go ahead and in the developers. So the another login part will be here, and once completing that, another feature, I'm going to upload my other OTP or the other QR. So after verifying there, my one ID will be created. I'm going to create my own ID. So after creating my own ID, the project ID will be created for interaction in a dev tool using any application. And once the contract interaction goes through, we will get something known as the project ID, which we use in the so this is this is the data we get from the getting the transaction, and this value is known as the project ID, which will be used in integrating the dev tooling, having the components wrap, and also also show how our SDK works. So we have a test application, and in that you can see we have installed OneSign, and in that we are importing the components, and so just having these components really helps. So I'm going to quickly run it. So the onboarding part and then the signature part is just implemented with just a single line of code. And yeah, so with this the user can actually mint their NFT, mint their IDs. So that's how we have go around it. So we have our SDK, and we have so for the documentation part, we also have this. We have the clear documentation in our GitHub repo for implementing our SDK and how can they do it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks guys.